Welcome to Visionary Motivator channel. Today we will show how to scan documents using your smartphone without spending lots of money. It is a very easy process. Without delaying our time, let's dive into right now. I will show you two different ways. First, you open your iPhone or any other smartphone you have, then download an app named Adobe Scan. Already downloaded, just tap on it. Now you can see there are 5 options on the screen, namely Whiteboard, Form, Document, and Business Card. Stay with Documents, make sure the flashlight option is active. When everything is set, hold the camera on the documents. The system will scan itself. Keep in mind you can do multiple documents, just have to keep scanning in the same folder. Keep continue scanning and save the files as a PDF on the top corner of your device. You also will able to add or delete any documents you want. See, what a quality of the document. Now, neither we need to buy big scanner nor go outside to scan documents. After saving, all the documents can be shared as a copy, email, or as a link. It is better to share as a copy because sometime the other person whom you sending may not able open, depend what device is using. Oh, by the way, we can even print the documents from here. Alright, now I will show the second option. This option is only for iPhone user. Go to your iPhone app named Files. On the right hand side, see on the top 3 dot in the circle, just tap on it, see the scan documents. After scanning all documents, please follow the same steps as all the documents can be shared as a copy, email, or as a link. It is better to share as a copy because sometime the other person whom you sending may not able open, depend what device is using. Now you know how to scan. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe it and smash the like button because I am working to help you. Our next video is about how to make PDF. See you in the next video. Bye for now.